Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuna port. Richard in Massachusetts. He got wise and got Truckerized. Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. And we got the 10 kilohertz switch right there. High cut filter right there. All the audio and power mods, cap upgrades, wideband transmit receive, voltage regulator, etc. We are going to start with RF power all the way down. 500 watt slug. About 25 watts. Roll this duct plucker up about 125, and we'll see what kind of average bird we're going to get using the Static 636 carbon fiber. Hello, whoa, that's over 300. Hello, 325 bird, 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, about 780. Alright, my friend, we're going to get it out to you. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got Truckerized. Quack, quack. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get Truckerized today.